All of you students understand, comma 0. So therefore, what I have to take like a tangent, y minus 0 equal to m into x minus 2 plus c plus c. Like this I have to take. Got it, students? This is now tangent to the first parabola. What is that? Y equal to mx minus 2m plus c. Got it, students? Minus 2m plus c. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what is that? Parabola. Okay, you can continue with that only. No, don't write that. Okay. Now, condition wise, no change, no students. Why? What is happening over here? Tell me. Since only origin shifting, you know that if origin shift, is the area of triangle is changing? No. General, I'm asking. If you 2-3 points are there, if you shift the origin, there is no change in area, right? Area remains same. That's why here condition is not going to change. Only position only changing. So that you can apply that this is a tangent to this parabola. Means what is the condition, students? C equal to minus
E by m.
no
Minus
no
AM
no no
square.
no
Minus AM
what kind of parabola it is? See the table. Okay, this table, if you see your parabola, what we are discussing is the fourth model, right? Fourth model, right, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the condition then? C equal to
Is equal to am square.
AM square to apply for C. So that C equal to A M square. Now A is what for that parabola? Minus 1 by 4, no? To this parabola A.
Yes, sir.
M is M only. So that's why we are writing now like a parabola minus 2M and C minus 1 by 4 M square. All of you, is this fine, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is like we eliminated C from here. All of you, ma?
Yes, sir.
Once again, A is 1 by 4 only. No, we are comparing with the parabola. Okay, so this is answer. See, we are comparing with x square equal to minus 4ay. Then A is 1 only, no, students? 4a is 1 only, no, ma? Minus leave it. 4a is 1, A is 1 by 4. Okay, ma? All of you students?
Yes, sir.
Now remember, this equation is tangent to x square equal to 4y. X square equal to y. Now this is tangent to x square equal to 4y. Okay, ma? Okay, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we know formula, if y equal to mx plus c is tangent to x square equal to 4ay, what is the condition for c? Minus am
Minus AM square.
Minus am square. Okay, now in the place of c means everything constant, correct? Minus 2m
Plus 1.
plus 1 by 4 m square equal to minus a. A means this 4a. In the place of 4a, what is there here now? 1. Got it? In the place of 4a, 1. So a is 1 by 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
M is m only. No change in m here and here. M remains same only. Understand, students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
That is our answer. Next, we have here a common tangent to circle and parabola. Now also tell me which is the tough curve, second curve, circle curve, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'll first find the tangent to that first. Okay, no? Students?
Yes, sir.
So now if I take something like y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the circle x minus 3 the whole square plus y square equal to 9. The condition, tell me, anyone? Radius is equal to distance from center to
Distance.
origin.
Yes, sir.
Right, students? Radius is what here? 3, no, students?
3.
Yes, sir.
Distance from center. What is the center here? 3,
3,
0.
0.
to the
0.
line. Tell me what is the answer? 3m plus
3
c,
m
na?
Plus.
Yeah, plus
Divided by root of 1 plus
1 plus m square.
m square. Understand, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we got one condition. This also you can do by previous formula only, but I'm just solving it by method so that no need to by heart anything. Got it, students? if something y equal to mx plus c, if it is a tangent to the circle, the radius is equal to distance, whatever it is. I am not comparing again. Please don't confuse with the formulas here, students. Right, ma? This is condition number 1. All of you, students, all
Yes,
of you.
sir.
Now, this is one condition. Remember. I am taking same line. If this is parallel to this parabola means, tangent, same line is tangent to that parabola means, what is the condition, students?
E is
Okay.
equals to A by M.
C equal to 1 by m, right?
Yeah, A is 1.
Yes, sir.
So now if you put in the place of C this 1 by m, we will get m from this equation in the place of C if you put 1 by m. Then once if you know m, you can get C also, right?
Yes, sir.
You can find C also, right? That's it. That is the way to solve the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In that way, you can solve the question. No, sir, I want to apply formula. We know the condition. If y equal to mx plus c is tangent to this circle, what is the condition? C square equal to a square into
A square into 1 plus M
1
square.
plus m square. Yes. Suppose now your circle is x minus y minus k the whole square equal to a square means then tangent also changes like y minus k equal to m into x minus h. No,
Yes, sir.
students. That is the way. If you want, you can calculate. You can find this way also. This method also. In this way, if you do know, then compare and use the condition. Compare and use that. What I'm doing, I'm using geometrical condition, not any formula. Right, students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that point to have a clarity. You?
Yes, sir.
So anything from your end to ask?
From yesterday's homework, level 1,
Ah,
59th
tell me.
question.
Level 1, 59th question.
And 55th
Students,
question,
yeah, tell me.
the 55th question, the picture is not proper.
Yes, sir.
55th. Oh, the corner.
Yes,
55th question, perpendiculars are drawn on a tangent to a parabola. Perpendiculars are drawn on a tangent to parabola from the points a plus or minus k to 0, then difference of their squares. Understand? That is question number 55. Perpendiculars are drawn. Understand, students? Perpendiculars are drawn on a tangent. Students, all of you?
yes.
Number 55 from that level, ma. 55. So we have a parabola, students. 55th question. Y square equal to 4x. Are drawn on a parabola. No, tangent to the parabola. What is this? What they are saying now, students? Perpendiculars are drawn. Perpendiculars are drawn on a tangent to parabola y square equal to 4x from the points a plus or minus k comma 0. Then question is difference of their squares. This is the question, students. Difference of their squares. Understand now, all of you? So we'll take y square equal to 4x parabola, students. So what they are saying here, See, if you take points, where is this points might coming? A plus k and a minus k on x-axis only, no students? Students?
A minus k.
A minus k comma 0. These are the 2 points on the x-axis only, no students?
Yes, sir.
All of you. And actually, one is okay. I can take this as B, students, not to confuse, and even diagram wise also. And let us take this is S and this is B. Is that fine, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Students, is that fine? So I'm taking one after focus one. Okay,
Yes,
students.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what they are saying here, if you take any tangent over here to the parabola, any tangent to the parabola, you have drawn tangents, perpendiculars from that points to tangent to point or point to tangent, students, in the question? From the
From
points
points
to the tangent. Got it, students, all of you?
yes, sir.
All of you, ma? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now they want this distance squares. Students, they want the distance squares. Tell me.
We find the equation of tangent.
At one particular point we have to find, no? Point we don't know, right? Anywhere, students?
Yes, sir. So you can just take the point
Okay.
as 80 square comma 280.
You can also take tangent. This is also a tangent only, no, students?
Yes, sir.
Then you need this OA square and OB square only, no more difference.
Yes, sir.
Means, see, not only that tangent. Don't make up the question more tough. Don't make the question to be more difficult, students. Any tangent, right?
Yeah, so we can take even tangent at
You can
vertex.
take even tangent at vertex also, so that unknown
Yes,
is
sir.
correct,
Yes,
students.
sir.
So you can find now difference of their squares. Now also we can draw from A to this tangent one perpendicular, which is OA square, right? Difference of their squares only they're asking. Okay, minus, you can draw perpendicular from B to the tangent, right? Like OB square, students.
Yes, sir. So OA square.
What is OA square, ma? A minus K the whole square only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is OB square, students? A plus
A
K.
Plus K the whole square.
That also fine. Suppose if you take another unknown tangent, that's what I'm thinking. Another tangent means I don't know where I have to find.
Yes, sir.
Slope you don't know, point you don't know, then how can we trace that tangent? Then again distance from this point to that tangent, all are confusion. Yes, next question, ma.
So 59.
59. For all the values of m, the line touches which parabola? Okay, see here, ethically, no need to solve only this question. Y equal to m into x minus a by m. Is
Yes,
it right,
sir.
students? Now you can tell me, students, it is the tangent to the parabola whose vertex is a comma
Yes, sir.
0,
A
right?
comma 0.
Comma 0.
Which of the following parabolas are in the options having vertex as a comma 0, ma? Two parabolas, that is second
Two,
equation and the
second
fourth equation.
Fourth one.
Second and fourth options.
Understand, students,
Fourth
are
option.
having following all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, leave that. Next one, so its vertex I can decide now. Its vertex, understand, students? From this discussion only we are getting that point. Got it, ma?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you? Okay, a comma 0, students. This is vertex. Then what else you need? You have a condition for C, no, students. Suppose if I compare with that C is equal to minus a by m is there in the place of this. Is it true, students? If I compare this equation
Yes,
with
sir.
y equal to mx plus, no problem. C is nothing but minus a by m, no, students.
Yes, sir.
C is nothing but minus a by m means, and having this parabola and condition of tangents is this one means, what kind of parabola it is, students?
So it will open at negative
Open
side.
right, open on
Negative side.
negative side. Is it correct or is it correct?
S2, comma.
4 minus 14. Remember, distance between actually in parabola next week we are having that discussion. What is the distance between minimum curve, minimum two parabolas? It can be asked. We did actually this concept in the application of derivative also, students. AOD, application of derivatives concept also. We did this. Yes, next one.
63.
63. Okay. The locus of point of intersection of two tangents inclined at an angle 45 degrees. Okay. So 62. This is one tangent. This is another tangent. We need locus of point of intersection of those two tangents. But angle between the tangents is how much theta?
45 degrees.
45 degrees. This is the question, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have not done exact numerical, but we did the problem, no, students, on this basis. Tell me, what is the equation of tangent here? Y minus y1 equal to, students, m into x minus x1. Why? It is passing through a point x1 comma y1, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Now we need locus of x1 comma y1. Locus of x1 comma y1. Fine, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now I'm writing this one, y equal to mx plus y1 minus mx1, students. Pair of tangents concept only one, nothing else here. This is our tangent now. So this is tangent to, understand, no, students? This is tangent to y square equal to 4x, no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, if it is tangent to y square equal to 4x, what is the condition? C equal to
A by M.
yes, y1 minus mx1 equal to
A by M.
a by m. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm taking quadratic, students. In circles also we did same condition. Okay, so now what is this answer, students? Above question 61, all of you understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So m square x1 minus m y1. Understand, students? I'm sending all the values to that side, which is equal to a. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Students?
Yes, sir.
Quadratic equation in terms of m, right? So sum of slopes is
Y1 by x1.
y1 by x1. Product of slopes is
A by x1.
a by x1. But
Yes.
we don't want this. No, what is that? Tell me. What we know here, tell me, students. Angle, you know. Angle, you know, means we
Tan
need
theta is
m1.
equals to m1 minus
M1
m2.
minus M2.
One
Then we
plus
need
M2.
m1. We need m1 minus m2. No.
Yes, sir.
What is m1 minus m2?
M1
m1 plus m2
The whole square minus 4M1.
That's why regarding this, I'm writing formula root d by a. Yes or no? Discriminant. From quadratic equations
Yes,
onwards,
sir.
we are doing this, but still we are not able to pick up. Y1 square divided by x1 square minus 4a by x1. Is it fine, students? All of you,
Yes, sir.
students.
Yes, sir.
Then m1 minus m2 is what now?
Whole root y1 square minus
Y1 square by X1.
minus
Whole root y1 square
y1 square minus
4a
4a x1 divided by x1 square.
x1 square inside the
Square root.
root. Okay. Now what is tan theta formula?
m1 minus
M1
m2 by
minus
1 plus
M2
m2.
1 plus
Mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2.
m1 m2. Okay. Theta is 45 means tan 45 is
1.
1. 1 means you can when you remove mod and what happened? Tell me then. 1
One
equal to
1
1 plus 1 M2 equal to M1 minus M2.
root of y1 square minus 4x1 by x1. This one. Okay, ma? All of you
divided by
divided
1
by
plus
1 plus
1
m1
plus a
m2.
by x1.
What is m1 m2? A by x1.
x1.
Students, all of you fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So under
Then
root of Y1
okay,
square
I'll
minus
take tan theta only here because I'll give one derivation. You please remember this answer. It is again, I'll tell you what is the interesting point we are again getting back is same thing.
Divided by x1 plus a.
X1 plus a. Tell me, students, same thing, pair of tangents in circles. What is your answer? Tan theta equal to? No? Circles. So much we discussed, still not responding. This is R and it is L, it is theta by 2.
R by
We have
L.
taken R by L or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
No, sir, I thought it's tan theta by 2.
L by R, L by R, R by L. Okay, whatever. So
R
this
by
one
L.
this is focal distance, no, students? This is a focal distance, no?
Yes,
It is
sir.
length
Yes,
only,
sir.
right? It is length
Yes,
only,
sir.
right? From the point.
Yes, sir. So,
L by focal distance, no, students?
yes, sir.
Focal, see here radius, but this is focal distance.
Yes,
Understand
sir.
all of you?
Yes, sir.
Same thing we did, same thing we did at circle. That point only we are doing it now. Okay, no? So you'll remember this, right? At least then from now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand, students? What is the derivation I got here? From any particular point, if you draw, like for example, say I'm giving one example, numerical also here. Y square equal to 8x is a parabola, students. And here you can take something called 4,1. If I take 4, it lies outside, no, students? No. 1,4. I'll take 1,4. Is it okay, students? It lies outside, no, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It lies outside, so you can draw two tangents to the parabola. Now, what is the angle between parabola? If the question is that, then directly you can give answer. Tan theta equal to, students, tan theta equal to root of, tell me, ma.
4 square
4 square
minus
Minus 4.
correct or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divided by x1 plus a. x1 is 1. 1 plus a.
Plus
2.
2. Understand, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
tan theta equal to 16
2
minus
root 2
8,
by 3. 2 root 2 by 3.
2 root 2 by 3. So this is one more, angle between pair of tangents. Because I thought you can apply geometrical conditions of circle and answer, but okay, it's the parabola. There we have drawn tangent to the parabola. So I've taken a point. I don't know slope. That's why I applied concept of what is it? If it is a tangent to, if it is a tangent to, understand the students? If it is tangent to parabola, what is the condition? A by m. Then I got a quadratic equation. Understand, students? Quadratic equation. Okay,
Yes,
ma?
sir.
Then m1 plus m2, m1 into m2, m1 minus m2. Then totally we derived that angle between the pair of tangents. Angle between pair of tangents is y1 root of y1 square minus 4a x1 divided by
X1 plus
x1
A.
plus a. All of you okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your question? I hope you can answer.
Yes, sir.
What is your question number? 62, right, students? 62.
63, sir.
63, na? 63. This angle is how much, students? This angle is how much?
45 degrees.
45.
45 degree. Then I'll take one only, plus or minus 1, but I'll do square. So that's why, shall I write this as x1 plus a, the whole square equal to y1 square, students?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
write?
Yes, sir.
Now, locus of x1 comma y1 is what they're asking. You can check with the options. If you reach the option, fine. If not, you can simplify this.
Yes, sir.
We should
Hmm.
simplify, sir.
So x1 square plus a
Plus
square
A square plus 2.
plus
Plus
2a
2a
x1 equal to
Y1
y1 square
minus
minus 4a x1. Now x1, y1, you replace x and y, you'll get answer. Is it fine,
Yes,
students?
sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a good point. Since we discussed this, no? Since we discussed this angle between the pair of tangents, I said I thought you can do it, but okay, whatever. Please go through this entire derivation, students, all of you. Not only this question answer, ma. Any point is there, you can ask, because same approach we followed at circles also. That's why I thought no need. And what is the point of intersection of perpendicular tangent, students? Locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangent.
Tangent at vertex. Directrix.
Directrix. No, generally I am asking, what is the, in circles, the locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents of a circle is called what?
Director.
Director
Circle.
circle. Now it's directrix. Understand, students? Word.
Yes, sir.
Word.
Yes, sir.
Locus of, in circles, locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is, tell me.
Director
Tell what is the equation?
Director.
Yeah, what is the
X
equation of
square plus
director?
Y square
Square is equal to A.
2a square, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Center
sir.
remains same, radius double, correct?
Changes.
Yes, sir.
Radius it will be double to or
Double.
original circle.
Yes.
Now it is a directrix. You can take proof also. M1 into M2 equal to -1, no, students? If they are
Yes.
perpendicular,
Yes, sir.
then
Yes.
then A by x1 equal to -1 means x1 equal to minus a, no? X1 equal to minus a means x equal to minus a, which is directrix to parabola only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That comparison, please, all of you take care. Okay. So locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents of a parabola, if they have given, means that point of intersection itself is the, tell me, directrix. Itself is the directrix. Understand, students? Understand, students? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And also in your notes that reversely I am asking now, students. I have drawn tangents to a parabola. I have drawn tangents to a parabola, students. Two tangents I have drawn to a parabola. Their point of intersection is on the directrix. What is the angle between them, students?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Reversely, same point I am asking reverse.
Yeah, perpendicular to each other.
Perpendicular to each other,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
And this point proof also have taken, students. If two ends of, at the end of two focal chords, if you draw the
Yes, so you get
tangents,
M1 and
their point
M2
of intersection on the,
Yes, sir.
okay, remember that at the end of focal chord, if you draw two tangents, they are always perpendicular and they'll meet at directrix. They'll meet at concepts clear, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So point of intersection of tangents also, you know, right? GP, AP, huh?
Yes, sir.
All of you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And here, one more point, please add on, students. Suppose if you draw, like this is like a condition wise only, we need to take, students. Condition wise only, we need to take. We don't go for proof and all, students. That is one parabola, and we have drawn tangents to the parabola at 3 points. Right? At A, I have drawn one tangent. Somewhere at B, I have drawn one tangent, students. And you can take anywhere. You can draw even. Roughly, I'm drawing like this at C. Students. Now, you got a triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
Regarding that. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
What is its orthocenter? What is orthocenter? Question is about that. Understand what? Orthocenter of triangle PQR. Orthocenter of triangle PQR. Okay, Nikita, yesterday you asked one question, no? Doubt.
Yes.
This is the solution to that.
Okay, sir.
See, PQR. We have drawn tangents to the parabola at ABC, students. At A, T1 and at T2 and T3. See, what is the equation of tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x? At A, T1, tell me, students. At A, T1, what is your answer? T1y equal to x plus,
square.
that is one equation. What is another equation? T2y equal to x plus a
T2 square.
T2 square. Students, got it all of you? Tangent at A,
Yes, sir.
tangent at B, tangent at C is T3y equal to x plus a T3 square. These are the three tangents, students. Now these three tangents are, bounded by a, tell me students, a triangle. Right? Right, students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then this point I'm applying, students. Now it is formed by a triangle. Then that triangle orthocenter. The triangle orthocenter is minus a comma a into T1 plus T2 plus T3 comma plus T1 T2 T3. This is the formula. The orthocenter of triangle formed by tangents. We have to solve only, nothing more.
It will always lie on directrix.
Always lie on directrix.
Yes, sir.
So to that parabola, if you find the directrix, no, then we'll get the answer. Then students, even regarding normal also I have not done because it is there for both the days. So that's why one or two, if you find difficulty tomorrow also, just whatever the point we have done. And even card of contact, all those things, it is there for coming week. That's why I have not covered all those points still, students. Okay. That's why pair of tangents concept also I have not discussed up to that level still. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
So next, any question?
So
66.
one, I'm not
67.
getting the answer.
60?
Fifth one.
Okay, 66, 65th.
67, sir.
Okay. Okay. 65. For the parabola and another parabola, touch each other. Touch each other. Then locus of their point of contact. See, actually, one AOD application I can use here. What is any idea, students? When the two curves touch each other,
Slopes are equal.
slopes are slopes are equal. See, if they touch each other, means anywhere it can be. If you draw tangent to that at that point, and tangent to that, the same line is a tangent to both the curves, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So at that point of intersection, I can say that both the curves are having common tangent. So therefore, slope of tangent to first curve and slope of tangent to second curve, both are
Equal.
equal only, right?
Yes, sir.
So that point you can apply, AOD concept you can apply. So you have to find dy by dx of first curve, dy by dx of second curve, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, we need to find the point of intersection. How to find point of intersection? Two curves are given. No? So from one curve, pick up x and substitute into this, or from one curve, pick up y and substitute. You will get the point of intersection,
sir.
right? So just I am giving idea. We have to work out. We have to work out. So what is the first one derivative? 2y into dy by dx equal to 4a. First curve derivative, correct? Then m1 is 4a by 2y. Yeah, 2a by y. That is m1. Similarly, you need to differentiate second curve. What is the second curve? 2x equal to 4a into dy by dx. Okay, ma? Curve. You know that, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what is m2 from here then?
X,
X
by
by
2y.
X by 2. Both are equal.
Then equate both, we'll get the answers.
Xy is equal to 4a square.
We got action directly, no? Locus.
Yes, sir.
No need to do anything. No need to do anything. Because we found both the slopes at their point of intersection only, no? At their point of intersection. So that means here I need to use x1 and here I need to use y1. So therefore x1, y1 equal to 4.
Yes.
Yes, next question, ma. 66.
Yes, sir.
Some students not asking, around 7-8 students, they've asked doubts up to now. Remaining in task, ma. Please respond and ask students. But once again, I said that already 4 to 5 questions, maximum 4 questions are coming over here. That's why don't worry, but learn at least minimum knowledge and concept. Okay, students, all of you,
Yes, sir.
if you are
Sir.
feeling this concept stuff also, basic concepts idea you can have. Numerical, okay, no problem. That's why I'm not taking more time in this explanation. Yeah, a tangent to the parabola meets x-axis, tangent vertex at A in P and the rectangle. Yes, what's the problem? Who asked this doubt?
Sir, me, sir. Sumukha.
Yeah, why Sumukha? What is there?
Sir,
Here?
I'm not
Nothing.
able to locate the point, sir.
You can draw a tangent to the parabola at a point P,
Yes, sir.
AT square, comma 2AT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the equation of tangent now then?
Why?
Ty equal to x plus AT square. See how is your response? Huh? Ty equal to x plus AT square. Now, what they are saying in the question, the tangent meets x-axis at T. So, what is T then?
When you substitute x is equal to y is
X-axis
equal
means
to
y 0, no?
minus 80.
Minus A T is okay.
Yes, yes.
And tangent at vertex. Tangent
Yeah.
at vertex. A, right? At A, right? This point, right? Tangent at vertex.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, tangent at vertex means now x is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
X is 0 if you substitute. Y equal to
80.
80. Next we got already. Then now TP, what is that? TA PQ. TA PQ is completed. TA PQ. TA PQ. So Q. Understand, students? Where is that Q?
So they have given TAPQ is a rectangle, sir.
TA
PQ is a rectangle, and where is Q they can leave?
one second. No, location points we have taken wrongly. 1 minute. 1 minute. About this P, they didn't mention. What they mentioned? Read that sentence once again, students. A tangent to the parabola meets x-axis at T. Okay. And a tangent at vertex A. So vertex A is given. Vertex is given as A. Read that question mark. Tangent at vertex A in P. This is P, students. Clear? All of you know?
Yes, sir.
Vertex to this parabola is A. And where tangent meets the tangent at vertex is P. Then rectangle we need to complete means Q comes somewhere here. No, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
No. So this is the diagram. But it now. All of you know? Now what we need to find? Locus of that Q.
Yes, sir.
Students, locus of Q, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall I take that is something called H comma to find the locus, but don't confuse later. So you know here P you know, A you know, correct, students? Q also you know. Then what you can say now?
So thinking different steps.
QT is equal to TA.
QT equal to A. QP equal to A. Okay.
By this we can get
But
to
relationship.
we get a QT.
Yeah. There are many possibilities are there. See, if you observe this diagram, x coordinate and y coordinate both are same, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
I can write minus y.
K we can write 80.
I can write it. Fine students.
Yes.
Y A is the y coordinate of Q, but it is same as y coordinate of P also, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here we will eliminate A and A, correct.
Yes.
Mhm. Is it correct? P value and P value.
Yes, sir.
Now P we have to eliminate. No problem here. P we have to eliminate. Okay, you can get it from second line A by A. One second. P can come from here, students, and I am substitute in the P by the whole square. So H equal to minus A K square, correct? A square by A. Yeah. Then A K square is minus A. Next, that word A will be that's what I. Okay, next. Seven, huh? Hello. Friends, is it 67? No small difference is there. Okay. 67. If the tangent of a parabola make complementary angle. Okay. I have drawn one tangent at a point, students. And tangent. And what is its slope? And another tangent, complementary angle with the axis of parabola. Okay, this is the axis of the parabola. This makes complementary angle. One is alpha. Okay, alpha plus beta equal to 180, right? They are complementary.
90, sir.
Plus beta equal to 90. Okay. Okay. Now I am taking, students, alpha is the slope of first tangent, which is 81 square comma 281. Correct?
Yes.
What is tan alpha formula then? You know. Tan alpha.
So directly getting tan alpha.
Wait, what is tan alpha? Tan alpha means slope of tangent. What is the slope of tangent?
Why?
1 by T1. That's what I am getting. 1 by T1 is the slope of tangent to this parabola or not? T1 by equal to x plus 8 square. Tan beta is the slope of second one. 1 by T2. Now this relation we know. So alpha equal to 90 minus beta. Tan alpha equal to
Cot beta.
God.
beta. That is tan beta equal to 1.
Yes.
And then 1 by T1 into 1 by T2 is 1.
T1 is equal to 1.
Next,
70.
anything else? 70.
Yes, sir.
Why you are asking this doubts? Getting idea. So you have drawn a tangent at a point. So you're not revising the notes and identifying that mark. That is clearly I'm able to say. Okay, sir. We have drawn tangents at P and Q. Yes. On
Yes.
parabola, we have taken 2 points and where these two tangents are meeting at a point called R. What is this? At least tell me now. What is this R? I've done numerical example also again.
G3, comma A.
Geometric mean of these two,
Yes, sir.
correct? A T1 T2. This is arithmetic mean. Okay. Now what is your question? This is Y1 they are taking in question. This is Y2 and they are asking. This is got it.
Yes, sir.
Now Y1, Y2, Y3,
Correct.
Y1,
Will be in AP.
Y1, Y3, Y2. Correct or not? Y1,
Y3, Y2.
Y3 and Y2 are in
AP.
AP. Yes or no,
Yes,
students?
sir.
Why tell me? Why tell me if ABC are in AP? What is the condition? Suppose 3 numbers you have taken. If they are in AP, 2B equal to A plus C.
A plus C.
B equal to
A plus C by
A
C.
plus C by 2. Now also A into T1 plus T2, which is Y2, correct? Y3, right? Y3
Yes, sir.
equal to, how it is, tell me, it is an average of 2A T1
2A
plus
T2 by
2A T2 to by 2, no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Then this one you can say Y1 plus Y2 by 2, right? Y3 equal to.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now in the place of B, what is there in the place of A? Question, just put the point and condition on diagram. Don't worry. Condition, leave the points. Y1 or X1, whatever. Okay, next.
73, sir.
73. The number of points on the curve from which 2 perpendicular tangents can be drawn to the parabola. Okay. 2 perpendicular tangent means this to be, what, tell me? Directrix, no?
On directrix.
Got it?
Yes,
Students? 73. Don't know. Got it, ma? 73. 2 perpendicular tangents, if you can draw from a point, means where they are going to intersect.
On
On?
the directrix.
On
Directrix.
directrix. Now your curve is like this here. That curve, whatever, y equal to what they have given. Okay. So now first of all, to the parabola, y square equal to 4x. What is the directrix? What is the directrix for y square equal to 4x?
Minus.
X equal to minus a. Now your parabola is x square equal to minus 4ay. Then what is the directrix? What we need to change? Coordinates we need to change. One and sign also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the directrix now? Y equal to a now?
Y is equal to
Y equal to a. Now y equal to a. What is a as per your parabola? 1 only, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is directrix. Got it? This is. Now we need to know what is their point of intersection. Correct or not? This is directrix. This is curve. We need that. Then what you can do?
Yes.
Your curve is given like this, no? Your curve is given like this.
Yes,
Then
sir.
equal to 1, right? That is their point of
Yes, sir.
intersection or not? Students, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So,
Then modulus of 1 minus e power x minus 2. If I remove one mod, equal to plus or minus 1. Now, modulus of 1 minus e power x equal to, if you take once it is 3 and once it is going to be, tell me,
-1.
minus 1. But this is not possible, no?
No, sir.
Minus 1, correct? Huh?
Yes,
Not
sir.
possible, right? Only this is possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is possible when again, see, we have one more condition. I can write plus or minus 3.
Shall we?
Plus 1, huh?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Then we get 4 conditions.
4 conditions. But exponential graph is clear, right?
Yes, sir. That's
Plus or minus 1. Now, students, all of you following?
yes, sir.
1 minus e power x equal to 3. 1 minus e power x equal to minus 3.
-3.
1 minus e power x is 1.
And
And x is
Minus
minus 1. Now, e power x is minus 2.
minus 2.
Next, e power x is 4.
4.
E power x is 0.
E power x is 2.
E power x is 2.
2.
Got it? And you know very well, students, e power x graph is like this. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many times it can be -2?
0.
How many times it can be -2? No possibility.
No,
How many times it can be 4?
No, sir.
One time.
1 time.
No, one time,
Yes.
right? One time. This
1
one
time,
mark.
sir.
Positive it will take,
Yes,
right?
Yes, sir.
One time. E power x is 0 only at infinity.
So can you count
Got
that,
it or
sir?
not? Which we cannot take.
Yes,
We
sir.
don't know
Only
where
there
it
are
is.
2 values.
Then this one place. Understand, students, all of you?
yes, sir.
1,
Yes, sir.
2, 2.7, 3, 4. This is the graph now. Then now you need e power x value is 4 when and 2 when. You can take log, we'll get that answer also. X equal to log 4 and x equal to log 2.
Log
E power x graph. Understand, students? E power x graph. You can just observe for more clarity quickly. Y equal to, understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Standard curves if you take exponential. No. Yes, it is not. I think function not available. Got it right? Overall, leave it. This is e power x graph. Where and all it is 2. It is 2 at one place and it is 2 at 4 at one place. Got it?
Yes. Detailedly if I draw a graph, this is 1, 0. X value answer is 1. Then 2. Then answer we want. Cut it. Overall 2 values. Okay.
There
Na?
are 2 values.
Okay. Check the answer once.
It's correct, sir. Our value is 2.
Okay. Even that 74 also you can do normal. All that also. Okay. Still regarding normal, we have many points to tomorrow's exam. If any question is, you just see that whether totally we have done, then attempt, because the concept is divided for 2 days, right? I don't think the last question, but however, be careful. I don't think, because Saturday, Monday, they don't take up to that, but we don't know in paper now. While giving paper setup, they may take different ideas, whatever. Yes, students, all of you. Any more
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
Any more doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, then I have sent you one Cengage, correct? Students?
Yes, sir.
What is this problem I hear? First one, able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Students?
Yes, sir.
All of you only regularly, some students who are responding, they are only speaking. Please inform, clarify. See, students, this equation, I can write x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to 12x minus 5y plus 3 divided by 13 the whole square. Can I write, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember all of you, it is like SP square equal to PM square. Correct or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Students, all of you
Yes.
all of you see, this is a fixed point S and there is a locus and there is a line. Students, it is like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
all of you, okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Now from here I can say SP equal to PM, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So P is a locus of point x comma y if I take means. So from this discussion overall, you can say that focus is 1 comma
1,
2.
comma 2.
Got it, students, all of you?
And line is 12x minus 5 by
This is focus ma. And you got directrix, students, from this discussion. What is the directrix ma?
12x minus
X minus
5 plus 3.
12x?
12x minus 5y plus 3.
This is the directrix, that is the focus. Got it? Then you can find lattice rectum now, students.
Yes, sir. It will be
Then
parallel to this and passes to focus.
everything, lattice rectum, you can find tangent at vertex, you can find axis, you
Yes,
can
sir.
find yes or no, students.
Yes.
And length of lattice rectum also you can say, which is 1 only, no ma, because SP
4a.
equal to,
Yes, sir. 4a, sir.
got it,
Yes.
students? Yes, you can find, however, you know the what is the directrix and lattice rectum, you can find length also. Okay, students, all of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangent, students?
Directrix.
Directrix.
Directrix. So what is the directrix ma? This is your
12x
answer, right?
minus- Yeah.
Okay. Next point, students. Locus of foot of the perpendicular drawn from focus upon any tangent. Where it is? Foot of the perpendicular
Tangent at
drawn from tangent at vertex.
At
Tangent
vertex.
at vertex. But what is the tangent at vertex?
So it is parallel. It is parallel to the directrix and passes to vertex.
What is vertex? Got it? What is the vertex? Condition correct. What you said, 100% that condition is correct. Generally, I am asking students there. Here, the question is not, that point is not there. Okay, no ma? And option wise, you can easily pick up. P is your answer.
Yes, sir.
Right
Because
or
that's
not?
the only thing which is parallel.
The option selection you can do easily here. Why? Tell me.
He is only parallel to R.
Parallel to the directrix only, no? Tangent
Yes.
at vertex is always parallel to, and that is also parallel to lattice rectum also, no, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next one, ma, line along which minimum length of focal chord. Which is the minimum length of focal chord?
Lattice rectum.
Lattice rectum only.
Yes.
Got it, students? Now, how is that lattice rectum again? It is also
Parallel.
perpendicular to the, sorry, parallel to the,
Q options.
no, parallel to the directrix, but understand, students? But focus, you substitute parallel line, you can take to the directrix 12x minus 5y plus lambda equal to 0. In that you substitute focus, you will get some answer.
Yes, sir.
Got it, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next, line about which parabola is symmetrical. Symmetrical means axis only, no? It is symmetrical about axis, right now, students, the parabola.
Yes,
How it
sir.
is above like this, they are asking about here. Axis.
So it will be
Got it, no?
option Q. Because
Okay,
that is
one second. One second now. Understand, students, geometrical conditions, what they are asking about a parabola in the first
Yes.
passage. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Very, I really, I don't know. We can, because here curve tracing only, no, students, big calculations, trigonometry, inverse, not there. So please maintain the interest here so that surely you will enjoy. Okay.
So C option answers P.
One second, first matching, matching type. One A to R, B to S,
Yes, sir. C to P and D to Q.
C to P, D to Q.
B to S, C
P.
to
P.
P,
E to
now
Q.
D to Q, that's it. 12th, second question, this 100% everyone can answer. Consider a parabola and match the following. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Consider a parabola and match the, how can we decide? Chord of contact, chord bisect, right angle, still we have not done that. CD, okay? Only tangent and normal you can say. How, tell me, students? Slopes only, no?
P is equal to A by M we can use.
C equal to A by M, very good. But that is for tangent. And C equal to minus 2am minus am cube for the normal. C equal to minus A by M students.
Q1.
Plus 2AM minus AM cube for normal, Noma. I gave this condition, right, students?
Yes.
Normal condition I gave, that basic definition of normal itself. I have given this point, students, in the notes.
Yes, sir.
Students, you can apply. You know here A value. What is A value?
Three.
3, no? From this line, if you write y equal to mx minus 2x plus 6, correct? Students?
Yes, sir.
Then m is minus 2 over here and c is it true relation? No, this is not your option. Got it, ma? All of you?
Yes, sir.
That way you can verify, no, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is second passage. Shall I continue, ma, or any doubt in the first? To anybody? To anybody, is there any doubt in the first? Once again, I'm asking students, please respond. Students? In regular meetings, every time we are keep on saying students to respond to us and all those things. Now also again, we cannot spend more time about that. So please take it positively and you can ask if anything. Shall I continue, students?
Yes.
Quickly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then how about this? Tell me. Tangents are drawn from a point to the parabola. If you put the point here 9 minus 8 more than 0, it's also therefore the point 2 comma 3
Outside.
lies outside to the parabola, no, students?
Yes,
Students,
sir.
the point 2 comma 3
Lies-
lies outside of the parabola y square equal to
4x.
4x. What they're asking, no, from here if I draw the tangents, what is this point they're asking? What is the point?
So we have two relations like A T1 T2 is equals to 2 and A into T1 plus T2 is equals to 2.
Okay, you are telling about
And then we get
you,
T1
you,
T2.
you,
We know
you
A,
are
we
you are
can
telling
find the
about
points.
this. You are telling about this, right?
No, sir, like the point of contact, sir.
Hmm.
2 comma 3 contact is A T1 T2 comma A into T1 plus T2. So
Here
we
we
can-
know this point. If you draw tangent from here with from A T1 square and
A
2A1
T1
and
A
A
T2
T2 square comma
2A
2A2 T2, you know this point A T1
A
into
T1
T2 comma
T2 comma A
A
T1
into
plus
T1
T2.
plus T2.
So we can find T1 and T2 from this.
A you know.
A even, yeah. So we find
A
T1
is
T2, then we can find both the points also.
2, is equal to 2. Correct, students?
Yes,
T1
sir.
T2. Yes, ma. T1 T2 is 2.
2 and
T1
T1
plus
plus
T2
T2
is
is 3.
3. Right now, students, since A is 1, no, ma, that's why. Understand all of you.
Yes,
Since
sir.
A is 1. And then you can find T1 minus T2, right, students?
Yes, sir. T1 minus T2.
Then we can find T1 and T2, no, ma, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Once
sir.
if you know T1 and T2, you can find A and B.
Yes, sir.
This card of contact still we have not done this. Leave that. Common card also still not done. This point is regarding common, what is it? Common normal. That also we haven't done still. But B part and D part of this we can do. B. Locus of point P if the tangents to the parabola intersect the coordinate axis in concyclic points. Locus of point P. Point P, like P, X comma Y, you can take anything. If tangents from, same thing, it's no problem. If the tangents to this coordinate axis meets at concyclic points, 4 points. Right, students? So that means you can find first 3 points. Understand, students? See? 1 second. This is parabola, students. You have drawn tangent to the parabola and another parabola. Locus of point P. If the tangents from the point P P to the circle. Sorry. No. If the tangents from P to the parabola intersects coordinate axis in concyclic point. That means I'm taking coordinate axis anywhere roughly here, students. Okay, don't measure. Where and all I can take, it meets the coordinate axis at, and somewhere here, anywhere you can take B, C.
And sir, we can find
D.
the points also.
Understand? You can find points, no?
Yes,
Students?
sir.
Yes, sir.
And they will all be in terms of A, like T's.
Yeah. Okay. Because what is the tangent, you know, right? T1y equal to
T1y
x
is equal to
plus
x plus 8
x plus a t1 square, students. Then 2 points you can find easily. First, anything roughly I'm writing. X0 if you put, y value is
Y.
a t0 if you substitute,
X value is minus
x
8
value
into
is
T1 square.
minus a t1 square. So this is a 2 points, students. Like this, 2 more points.
Same
Like this, 2 more points. Okay. Some of the points, of course, still we have not done. So that's why don't bother about this sheet. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, one more sheet. How about this one more? Is that okay, student? That numerical first one, almost they'll ask this guarantee for coming. No doubt. Almost. No doubt. What's your idea, students? We did know already.
This is
Yes,
5
sir,
minus
this
10y.
We just now we have done no, students.
Yes, sir.
You can write no this one as what is that? X minus
1 whole
sorry,
square plus
x
y
minus 1 the
three
whole square,
3 whole square.
y minus
is
3
equal
whole
to
square divided
X minus 12y plus 17
plus
whole
17 by,
Divided by
13
13.
whole square.
by
13 whole
13
square.
also.
This 169 can I bring up, bring it
13,
down
yes,
to
sir.
that side, students?
Yes, sir.
All of you, ma? Okay, you got focus and directrix, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, students, you got roughly normal parabola I'm drawing. Don't compare with that. This is your directrix you got, students, and this is focus. Then this is A and A, 2A. Then length
So
of
we
lattice
find length
rectum
and
is
then
length of lattice rectum L is nothing but what
4A.
tell me, students? 4A.
4a.
4A means 2 times distance from the 1,3 to that line, no more.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you, students.
Yes, sir.
Please respond, all of you. You have to find this distance. How to find this distance? Distance from focus. What is the focus, students? 1,3 to the directrix. What is the directrix?
5x
minus
y
minus
17.
If you find this distance, you will get 2A only. 2A is
So
value
we
is
have to
what?
multiply
5 minus 36 plus 17 divided by 13. Right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then 2A equal to 12 minus 24 by 13, right?
Yes,
Then we
sir.
need 4. 4 means 48 by 13. 48 by 13. Now 13 into 48 by 13. 12, no?
Yes, sir.
Students, even you can talk about what is the directrix, what is the lattice rectum, what is the axis, everything you can say, students. So I'm requesting all of you to go through this model. How about next one, ma? Second question. A circle drawn through the point of intersection. Point of intersection itself, family. Am I right, students?
Yes, sir.
Point of intersection, family. Is that okay, ma? All of you? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A circle is drawn through the point of intersection of parabola and x-axis such that origin lies outside of it. 0, 0. If you put no, it should be greater than 0. It should be greater than 0. Understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Circle passing through the parabola and the x-axis. And the x-axis means y substitute, students, here. Okay, ma? I'm solving y equal to 0. Then you will get x square
X is
minus
equal to
5x plus 4 equal to 0, no, students. What are
Yes,
the
sir.
factors? What are the factors to this here? 1,
5
1
and
comma
1.
4, no? 1, comma 4, right?
Yes, sir. 1,
So it meets the x-axis at 1, comma 0, 1 point. Another point is 4, comma 0. Okay, students? Students?
yes, sir.
Now, after that, what they want? The length of the tangent to the circle from the origin. So now circle, roughly if I draw diagram, circle is passing through 1, comma 0, one more 4, comma 0, students. It's like this. Circle is drawn through the point of intersection of this parabola.
So
Okay,
we can
actually,
find radius.
yeah, see, actual roughly I'm drawing. This is the parabola, and now circle is passing through the point of intersection of diagram. Not able to get it exactly like this. Correct, no, students? Origin lies outside of it. Origin lies
Yes,
outside
sir.
of it. Now what do we want here? Length of the tangent to the circle from origin. We need this distance, anything. This distance. If we draw diagram on this direction from the origin, we need this length of tangent, students. All of you okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
The tangent OT we need, students. OT we need. Now what is the circle first of all? It's passing through
1, comma
Two-
0.
1, comma 0.
4, so sir, we can write under root of g square minus c is 3. Because you have to find g, c, and f.
Once if you know the circle now, students, length of tangent easy. Correct?
Yes, sir.
GCF you need.
test
Further two points. Okay, na? And
Yes,
origin
sir.
lies outside of it means C is greater than 0. That's it
0.
only. C greater than 0. Okay, G and F values we have to find, students. Or we can do one thing. Circle is passing through 2 points, no?
Yes, sir.
Whatever it is, I'm taking this curve x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus 0 into y minus 0. That is circle. And line is, which is that line, students? X-axis. So y, lambda into y. Is that okay, ma? S plus lambda L equal to 0 form.
Yes, sir.
Now, what they are saying now, this here, the origin lies outside of it. If the origin lies outside of it, what happens, students?
The origin is greater than.
No, 0, 0, 0, if you substitute, what will be the some value for lambda will be same thing like C will get here. Okay.
Yes.
Then the length of tangent from origin. Now here one question is, that's okay. And here one question is there, and that's why I have sent to you some image. It is there. They'll ask that question surely. Okay, we'll see that one by one if you see. Now what about next question? Third question, students, focal chord. Then possible values of the square of slope of their chord. What is a focal chord? Focal chord is, understand, students? You know focus. Any chord, you don't know the slope, correct? Focal chord, slope, you don't know. You know focus, no, students? Students, here focus is
4, comma 0.
4,
comma 0. Then what is the focal chord, ma? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus 4 is the
Yes,
focal
sir.
chord, no, students, now?
Yes, sir.
Now that is tangent to this is tangent to circle. Got it, students? This is tangent to circle. When this is tangent to circle, tell me R equal to D,
Yes,
right?
sir.
R equal to D, right, students?
Yes, sir.
So root 2 equal to D. D is nothing but distance from the center.
6, comma
6,
0.
comma 0, 0 to the line. You can find no more absolute difference by making this into the standard form.
Yes, sir.
Mx minus y minus 4m equal to 0. If I substitute here 6m, students, 6m and y0, leave it, minus 4m divided by root of 1 plus m square. Then you will get m, no, students, on doing squaring. Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Will
sir.
get m,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Then possible value of square of the slope of this chord. Possible value of square. So m, if you find m square, they are asking.
So we get m as 1, then possible value slopes will be plus.
M square. Now about fourth question, two tangents are drawn from a point to the parabola. Theta is angle between tan theta. Now only we have done that formula. Root of y1 square minus 4x1 divided
Plus
by
A.
modulus of x1 plus a. Students?
Yes, sir.
Now this model also very good question, this one. Students, finding it okay or tough? How it is? Students, you have to improve the practicing. That's it. Suppose if I am taking y equal to mx plus c is tangent to this parabola. No, students, what is the condition?
C is equals to A by
A by m. So c equal to 1 by m. So this is tangent, right, ma?
yes, sir.
Now that is tangent to this parabola, fourth type parabola. C equal to am square. No?
Yes.
Place of c we have 1 by m, students. 1 by m
Equals-
in the place of a 32. 32 means 8
8
8.
square.
m square.
M
So m cube is 1 by 8.
So m is
1 by 2. M 1 by 2, if I put here, I'll get answer. No,
C by
students. So y equal to 1 by 2x plus 2. 2y equal to x plus 4.
yes.
2y equal to, you can compare with ABC and get, no, students. Sixth question also. Understand, Nama, all of you? What I did, just nothing, students. I compared, I used that condition of tangency. Right, students?
Yes, sir.
Next question also, ma. Sixth question. The point P 4, minus 2 is one end of focal chord. What is one end of focal chord, students? I'll take like AT1 square, 2AT1, which is 4, minus 2. Okay, na, students? Oh, y square equal to x, no, students? So 4a is 1. A is 1 by 4, no, ma? A is 1 by 4 means T1 square by 4 is 4.
T1 is 4.
Next,
T1 is 4.
no, here, ma, one more value. A value is 1 by 4, no? T1 by 2
Minus.
equal to minus 2. So T1
Or
is
minus.
minus 4.
T1
And
is
here we got T1 is plus or minus
Minus
4.
4, yes, sir.
So common value is T1, right, students? What is the T1
Minus
of?
4.
minus.
Minus 4. Okay, very good. Now, if it is an end of a focal chord, another point Q, I don't know, students. Another point Q, A T2 square, 2A T2, I don't know. I don't know.
Focal call, then T1 into T2
Yes,
is minus
T1
1.
to T2 equal to minus
Minus
1.
1.
Then T1
So
is minus
T2 is
4
equals
means
to 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by
1
4.
by
T2 is 1 by 4 means now it is A.
1
What is A value?
by 6
1 by 4
4
into
1 by
1 by 16.
1 by 16.
2
by
into
64.
1 by 4 into 1 by 4.
Yes, this is the Q. Done.
1 by 64, 1.
1 by
You can try 9th one, students, but diagram needed to draw. Students, is it fine?
Yes.
So today what we need to do now, once again after this class, students, minimum 1 hour. Once again, I'm telling to all of you, please listen and implement 1 hour. Please revise our class notes. 1 hour. Right, students? 1 hour, please revise total class notes. 1 hour to 2 hours, please revise circles chapter. Circles chapter. We did immediately, please revise all that. These 2 points we do it all of you. And the third 1 hour, this one we need the next, how many hours? Next your exam tomorrow, it's going to be 10 o'clock, right? Yeah, minimum 3-4 hours for each subject you need to prepare. Maybe in some subjects you are confident and comfortable in covering up syllabus like chemistry, physics, I don't know. Over there we can like little bit time reduction you can do, but since in maths tough topics we are continuing and many point ways analyze diagram, so much stuff is there. So that's why 1 hour at least students, the previous mains question, that file is there, no, one file.
Yes, sir.
Now after your class, no, after my lunch, I will post the numbers, question numbers, what and all you need to practice. That question numbers around 10 to 15 questions I give now. That 10-15 questions, please solve, students, all of you. Okay, tomorrow you can come to know good exposure to solve the numericals. In coming week, total parabola, it's completing. Coming week, remaining concepts of parabola will be.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.